Hello everyone, it's Sil here from Sil's Design, and today we are going to talk about the part 2 of my entryway. So in my last video, you saw that I took this place here and transformed into this, okay? So far it's already awesome, okay? I also built this built-in here that we are going to focus on this today, okay? Okay, so right now let's talk about the built-in. This is how I left the last time. I didn't add a little bit of a support here. You're going to see later on, but we pretty much what we're planning to do is on this wall we're going to just put like a coat rack, so you can put coats here when you come in, like coat and stuff. We're going to have doors. This one is also going to have doors. He's going to be able to organize all the sports that he needs grab and go, like tennis, pickleball and things. I did it kind of like a sketch. I'm going to put it here on the side of the screen for you to see, but it's not going to be exactly like this. It's going to have some adjust, and this is what we're going to do. On the top ones, he's going to focus on put camping stuff. Everything that's to do with camping is going to be there. Doors, that's going to be open. He's going to use this bin to add more storage, you know, for him. And this, we're going to only add shelves for gaming board. This is the shelf that I'm going to put in the middle cabinet, and I just cut in the perfect size. By the way, I just changed my blade and cut like butter. Amazing. So I'm going to use this like edge. I'm going to glue right here to hide the edges of the plywood, and I'm going to be securing with this tape. I don't know if you can see, but it's a little bit proud, but a little bit like this, you know, just a little bit. So then you can sand the wood instead of the panel.
Quiero un carro que corra más. Traigo un fin y después un cabo.
I know it's a little hard to see, but you can see the lines right in between. So I'm pretty much going to make the hole in every other line.
Si yo no soy yo, pues quién. Todos caen a mi lado. Los menos los arranqué. Me siento feliz porque vivo mi vida centrado. Te burlaste de mí, se acabó. Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan, quiero un carro que corra más. Nada me rompe, no, nada me rompe.
I did all the holes. Now I'm going to clean. I'm going to sand the other side, the right side, and we add the finish and then install.
Tantas estrellas brillan, quiero un carro que corra más. A veces yo soy yo voy a ser otro yo. A veces yo soy yo voy a ser otro yo. Los frenos los arranqué, el riesgo me cae bien. Los frenos los arranqué, el riesgo me cae bien. A veces yo soy yo voy a ser otro.
Okay, guys, so I have here all the. So I have all. I cut like in 3 different sizes. This one's 6 inches, this one's 8, and this one's like 5, I think. So I just sand a little bit in the corners, and you pretty much can like put it whatever you want, you know. It's pretty cool. I love this thing because it's just, you can put it anywhere you want. And you know, Isaac, he can move. I have more in the shop if he wants more, but it's pretty much like this. You want to have a lot of space so you can just move things around. But I do have another dowel if he need. I am organizing this one here, and I want to put like a coat hanger, you know, like just like a wood thing. So I did my own because I want to. So I use the red oak dowel. And because I want to kind of match with the walnut of the older one, add some walnut, I decided to make the part that's going to be in the wall. So it's going to be pretty simple. I literally cut like a square with walnut, solid walnut. And then I screw behind, as you can see here, okay? And then I'm just going to screw straight to the studs that I already got ready before I built, thinking that I was going to do that, so I already add supports on each side because I knew that I was going to do that. Number 2 done. Today we are going to focus on the right side of the built-in, and it's going to be very simple. I'm going to put supports on each side using you know, some walnut strips that I'm going to use. I wish I had bigger than this, but I don't, so I think this will be okay. But before I do that, I want to get those, you know, like those pieces of walnut and glue on this side, you know, on the side of the shelves, because then while I'm adding the support with screws, this is drying, so I can glue the edge banding, you know, just to hide the MDF. Okay, so now I will leave everything here to dry, okay, for a few minutes. Then I'm going to get some coffee because it's chilly here. And then I'll come back, sand it out, cut in the perfect size, and start putting the things on. Okay, so here I have some scraps that I'm going to pretty much, you know, place like this, and then I'm going to put the board across. And then I also have a few small ones that I'm going to put like in the middle, just so in case the MDF sag, you know, so we have like a support. I did the same thing with this one and looks fine. Okay, so I already put the shelf because I want to make sure that one and this one are on the same level, because I'm going to put another beam on the bottom. I also finished this side, so we're just going to add the rest. It was pretty simple. I screw, you know, like a screw already here, so we can be easy for us. And I'm using actually one of those things. I'm going to put it here. That's the height that I want, so I'm going to put it here. Put the shelf, screw, put the shelf, and screw. It's going to be very fast. Okay, so now I have some small pieces like this that I'm going to put like in the middle, okay, just to give you more support. But I'm going to attach this after we actually put the shelf in place. I don't feel like measuring in the middle, so I think it'll be faster and faster.
Hoy mis deudas reciben perdón, pago por el show. Me siento feliz porque si no soy yo, pues quién. Todos caen a mi lado. El freno lo arranqué.
Woo! I love it. Ay! It looks a little bit cluttered to me, but after we add the doors, this clutter space is going to be organized. All the gaming boards is here, the bins that he decided to put camping stuff, and there's going to be more camping stuff, as you can see, the cooler, medications, and here is like whatever he needs in a regular basis. And then he decided to put his basketball balls on a beam that's pretty big. For the next episodes, we are going to build the doors for this, and we're going to finish adding like a baseboard for the space. I did add the baseboards over there, but I still need to finish. I still need to put the caulking around and things like that. But besides that, this is what we have. Okay, this is what for today. This space is coming together very nice, and I cannot wait to put the doors. I think it's going to look like the doors, guys. The idea that I had is going to be amazing. Going to be like a huge art piece when you come into this room. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel because so many cool stuff's coming. Anyway, guys, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.